Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable the two-factor authentication in eToro on iPhone in 2026. And if you use eToro on your iPhone, enabling the two-factor authentication or to the 2FA adds extra security to your account. This protects your account from unauthorized access. And in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to enable it, the two-factor authentication in eToro on iPhone just by following these few simple steps and listening to these instructions. Now let's start by the first step, which is to open the eToro app. You're gonna launch the eToro app on your iPhone, and then you're gonna make sure to log in with your account's credentials. After that, you're gonna go to the settings, your account settings, by clicking on your profile icon. Then you're gonna select on settings. It's the gear icon here. So you're gonna click on settings, and then you're gonna go to the security. Once you're going to go to the security section, you're going to look for the two-factor authentication. You're going to turn on the two-factor authentication and enable it and choose your preferred method. Usually SMS verification is the preferred method, so you choose the SMS verification and make sure to enter the correct number. And the fourth step is to verify the setup. You're going to enter the verification code sent to your iPhone and then confirm the activation. And from now on, you'll receive a code when logging in on new devices. Now, enabling the two-factor authentication in your iPhone only takes a few minutes, but significantly improves your account security. And this was one of the most important safety steps you can take. Now, this is it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.